I gotta have a burger ready for Dana in a few minutes. Dana is the ultimate man. I met him on my birthday, June 9th, 2009. I believe Vancouver was playing Boston in the Stanley Cup playoffs. We talked, and I got to know him because I sponsored UFC. Somebody I look up to, somebody I love. Dana, if you don't know, now you know. And what do you call that thing on Fridays? Fucked up Fridays? Yeah, this is a fucked up Tuesday. I know your wife's Italian. You've got some Italian friends, so we got to get some Italian aspect to this. I got to think quick. I was going with my favorite dressing, but it's not about me, it's about you. So let's do something Italian. How am I going to think quick? Guy Fieri is Italian, so maybe that's an option. Okay, what else do I have Italian? Oh, I got it. I got it. I absolutely got it. I got it. I got it. A Caesar salad, right? Maybe I can char some of this. There you go. Look at that. Look at that fresh lettuce on the spot. On the spot. And the door won't open. What's going on here today? What a mess. What a mess. I got to make a burger for Dana. It's got to be clean. It's got to be pristine. Nice, crisp Caesar. Maybe a bit of Guy's Flavor Town. And what else do we have Italian? What else do we have Italian? Some peppers. How about, oh, I got it. I absolutely got it. My favorite. My favorite, my favorite, my favorite, my favorite. My favorite thing that goes in, and of course the knife don't fit. I am a mess. Oh, found it. There it is. The old fillet of anchovies. So here you go. Look at that. I really, did I say really? Love the actual anchovies that maybe are just frozen, are not coming apart. So I gotta break them up. I gotta break them up. I gotta break these guys up. And I haven't ate lunch. I gotta go to court, and I wanna make a nice burger for Dana. And I should know better because I always talk about it. The lettuce should be dry. So now I've completely fucked that up. And I can't use the burnt towels, so I got to get another roll. And I have a name for this burger. We'll call it Burnt Offerings. And this is not happening. Okay, we're back for now. I'm just going to do the burger in his honor with double cheese. Well, maybe 1 cheese and 3/4. So that's it. We're going to eat with 1 topping only, because I don't have any other ones. Maybe, I love pickles. These are the wrong pickles. These are sandwich savers. So let me get the burger. Let's see how bad it is. All right, am I good or what? This is that Croatian cevap I've been dying for. So we're gonna give a taste of Croatia. I'm gonna do 1 for Dana and 1 for me. Let's see what we got here. Double cheese, maybe a bit of anchovies. What the hell? The ultimate fighting burger. It's ultimately got no chance. So what are we missing on it? We're missing a bit of this tomato sauce because I don't have any ketchup here. What else can we do here? We can do a bit of this. And I like mine with lettuce and tomato. Heinz 57 and French fried potatoes. But the way I really like mine is just simple. That's it. For me, simple. And what can I do here to make things right? We'll just go this way. Boom. What more do you need? A simple burger. This is a Croatian cevap. It comes with a bit of ajvar, which is roasted pepper and eggplant spread. And I'll put that over here. And that is my main entree. Do I bite down on Dana first? Let's do it, Dana. Happy birthday. Keep doing what you're doing. And a good quote for you. For the critics, hopefully they bury you face down so those critics can kiss your ass. I love you, Dana. You're the best. God bless. This is actually a good burger. Salty from the anchovies. Oh, and the Rayo's tomato sauce makes up for the tomatoes. There you go. National Hamburger Day, very, very good. And this is what a burger should be, just simple. You go out, you walk in to the grocery store, and they're in the vestibule. You grab the buns, you grab what you need, except for the lettuce and tomato. You throw the burger on, and that's it. We're done. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. That's all. Simple. I like it. Let's see how mine comes out. Mine is very simple, and what's missing is my pickle. I need a bit of crunch. Oh, it's good. It's much, much better because it's much more simpler. It's really simple. Really, it's just cheese, mustard, and pickle, and a good mustard. Very, very good. It's amazing. I got to be in court in 8 minutes. But you know what? You got to do what you got to do. You want some bacon? Come on up. That's the way. Go. All right. Dana, Girlie wishes you a happy birthday too. I'm going to try this chivap. This is better than both burgers. First bite, the Ivar. Boom. Unbelievable. Perfect. How did we go to Croatian chivaps from the best burger National Hamburger Day thing? Okay, come on up. That's great. Come on up.